What are tariffs? Stickmen live in two countries, Lineapolis and Stickville. Lineapolis has many stickmen but not many sticks. Stickville has many sticks but not many stickmen. Lineapolis needs more sticks because obviously the whole stickdom depends on them for energy. Many sticks grow in Stickville so they can sell them cheaply. So Lineapolis buys sticks from Stickville. When one stick country buys something from another stick country, this is called importing. When a stick country sells something to another stick country, this is called exporting. Stickville makes money. Lineapolis gets sticks for cheap. Stickmen happy. Stickmen friends. Life is good. Lineapolis government puts a tariff on all sticks from Stickville. A tariff is a tax, an extra charge to bring sticks from Stickville into Lineapolis. When Dave gets food delivered, he pays for the food and for delivery. A tariff is like the service fee. Stickville sticks price usually stays the same, but now Lineapolis stickmen also have to pay Lineapolis government to buy them. How do tariffs work? Tariffs can be a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of the item's cost. Tariffs can get ridiculously specific. A twig can have a different tariff than regular sticks, even though they're both sticks. Even sticks can't escape bureaucracy. Trade terms. When a stick government doesn't use tariffs, this is called free trade. When a country exports more sticks than it imports, this is called a trade surplus. When a country imports more sticks than it exports, this is called a trade deficit. What happens when tariffs are used? The price of imported sticks goes up. Lineapolis Stick Store is happy because there are no more cheap sticks to compete with. But less stick competition can also mean stick quality drops. Local sticks become stickmen's only option. Local price can also rise to just under Stickville sticks. Lineapolis stickmen are frustrated. Dave has to choose between paying more for good sticks or getting crap sticks for cheap. Lineapolis government makes money every time stickmen import sticks from Stickville. Why do governments do this? There are many reasons. Maybe Lineapolis government wants to make local sticks more attractive to buy, even if they aren't as plentiful or as good. Maybe Lineapolis government is jealous of Stickville's sticks and, instead of saying it, tries to ruin their economy. Maybe Lineapolis government uses tariffs as bargaining tools for bigger political deals. Or maybe Lineapolis government just wants more money. So, if tariffs make everything more expensive, why do we have them? Well, governments want money. That's it. That's pretty much it. Stick government may think they help small business with tariffs, but that's not always true. Some businesses import other things from Stickville to keep running. Tariffs make these more expensive. Dave has to pay more. Dave is stressed. Dave is tired of this nonsense bullshit. Big stick corporations could lose some money from tariffs, but small stick stores could go out of business. Future products can also be delayed because of a sudden increase in tariffs. Dave was really looking forward to them. Maybe the new shiny sticks would have made life easier, but now he must wait. Even stick toys for kids are delayed. Environmental tariffs. Some governments use environmental tariffs, taxing countries that harm stickmen's natural habitat. Stick government tax products based on how much carbon emissions it took to make product. Stickville government can retaliate. Then Lineapolis could retaliate. Then Stickville. This is called a trade war. You could call it a stick war. And hey, this really happened. In the late Middle Ages, at ports and borders across Northern Europe, customs duties were recorded on wooden sticks. Each notch meant a tax had been paid. At first, the system worked until one customs house added one extra notch. Others followed, not wanting to look weaker. Soon, sticks mattered more than goods and trade slowed under the weight of wood and pride. Tariff wars rarely do any good. Merchants often lose, and the only winner is the politician's ego.